Hi everyone, my name is Vaghav Shukla.
My name is Ayushi Pathak.
I'm Ishita Arora.
I was the third article to be registered in the firm and second article under Ashish sir.
I moved for industrial training with Goldman and I currently work at Goldman Sachs in the finance and strategy domain.
Currently, I'm working with HCL Tech as an associate manager.
I still remember the day when I walked through the doors of that small office back in August 2007. We were a small team, about 10 people including the partners, and it gives me so much pride and joy knowing how much we've grown as a firm.
40 years is a remarkable milestone.
So, heartiest congratulations
To the entire team of ASIJA for completing this 4 decades of distinguished service. Completing my articleship at ASIJA was one of the most defining phases of my professional journey.
As an article, I used to make a lot of mistakes, get corrected and scolded by my supervisors. But that learning carried with me, setting a very strong foundation for me early on.
Instilled in me the core values of integrity, discipline, and commitment to quality of work.
ASIJA has played a great role in shaping my career, building that foundation, gearing me up for the corporate world. But apart from the professionalism that I have learned there, one most important thing that I have learned is enjoying the journey while giving my best. Let everybody feel valued, and I think that is why ASIJA stands out.
Best and proudest memories was being part of the UNICEF account, and Ashish sir came to me and said, there is an opportunity to submit a proposal with UNICEF. There's high chance that we will not get it because there are other bigger firms, and we submitted it and we were shortlisted and we were part of the Orals presentation at UNICEF. Once we won the account, I was part of the first few site visits that we conducted, and it was one of the best learning opportunities. ICICI Bank, IIM, especially IIM.
In terms of the memories, if I look back my time at ASIJA and I have to list down one or two out of the so many that I have created, it would surely be the ITR season. I think the long-standing hours, the challenging deadlines, and yet those quick snack breaks in between.
I wish the firm continued expansion, growth, and success in the coming years. May this legacy of excellence grow stronger in the coming years. And congratulations once again for completing this 40 glorious years.